This dish is spicy and lemony and super saucy. It's a gorgeous medley of seafood and vegetables and will be so flavorful you will be shaking in your little boots. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni and today we're making a low country boil. Before we begin, do me a little favor and hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our little notification bell. Let's get into it. Fill a large 12-quart stock pot with 6 quarts of water. Add the Old Bay seasoning. Pale ale, a lager works here too. Bay leaves. And halved lemons. Cover the pot and bring the mixture to a boil. When the mixture comes to a boil, prepare the lemon garlic butter. In a microwave-safe bowl, add the salted butter and the minced garlic cloves. Microwave on low heat in 30-second increments until the butter is melted, about 1 to 2 minutes total. Be very careful not to overheat the butter or the butter will splatter all over the microwave. Take it from me, do not do it. Stir in the lemon juice and fresh parsley, and then set it aside. Add the baby red potatoes. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Add the peeled sweet onions and kielbasa sausage. Then cover and cook for another 10 minutes. Add the corn, and if using lobster tails or crab, add it in with the corn. Boil it for 5 minutes. Add the shrimp or crawfish and cook until the shrimp is pink and cooked through about 3 to 4 minutes. Opt for large shrimp to avoid overcooking. You can use shrimp with and without shells. Peeled shrimp is of course easier to eat, but on the other hand, shrimp with shells imparts so much more flavor. Drain and discard the liquid and bay leaves, and serve on a platter or a table lined with newspaper or brown paper with the lemon garlic butter. Using a high-quality salted butter is so important in this recipe because it adds so much more flavor. Serve this up and enjoy, babes! For the full recipe, of course, head to that description box below, or you can go to cozymeal.com/recipes. If you haven't already, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe to the channel. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. I'll see you next time!